In the previous video, we have seen how to search an array. So this is completed. In this video, we will see how to copy an array using Object.clone method. So how to copy an array? We have the method Object.clone. So this object is nothing but the name of the array. Let's say I have a string array which is string arr1 equals to, I have it like Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. Now I would like to copy the elements of this array to another array which is arr2. So this one I will define this as string arr2 equals to new string of 5. So I would like to copy the elements of this array into this array. So then we can use the Object.clone method. So which is arr2 equals to arr1.clone. So this is the method we have to use. We cannot copy an array like this, arr2 equals to arr1. So this doesn't work out. It doesn't copy the elements here. So what happens in this case is, let's say this is our memory area. In this memory area, we have created this arr1. So this arr1, it contains all these values. Okay. So let's say this is the memory area. Let's not write this arr1 here. So let's write arr1 here. So this points to this memory area here. If I copy this one like this, it won't create a new element, new array here. What happens in this case is arr2 also points to the same array. That means it will give the same reference point for arr2 also. It won't copy like this. But if you want to copy the elements separately, then we have to use Object.clone method. There are some more methods. We will see them in the future videos. But in this video, we will see this Object.clone method. Let's see this one more time. So how to copy an array? We can use the method Object.clone. So this object is nothing but the name of the array that we want to copy. So let's say I have a string array, string arr1 equals to Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. Now I have defined another array, string arr2 is equal to new string of 5. Now I want to copy the elements of this array arr1 into arr2. So I cannot do it like arr2 is equal to arr1. The reason is, in the memory, let's say when we create arr1, it creates all these elements in the memory, Subbu, Selenium, Java and tutorials. When I copy this like arr2 is equal to arr1, what happens is it won't create a new set of elements. It will directly point to the old value. That means the reference point, the same reference will be assigned to this arr2 also. If we want to copy the elements, that means if we want to create a new set of elements, then we have to use this method Object.clone. Okay, let's see an example for this one. I am creating a new class here, new class. I am saying array copy 1 and I am using the main method. So in this one, what I will do is, first I will create a string array, string arr1 equals to, I will initialize the values as Subbu, Selenium, Java, tutorials. Now I am declaring and instantiating another array here. So string arr2 equals to new string of 5. Now if I want to copy the elements of array 1, ARR1 into ARR2, then I'll say ARR2 equals to ARR1 dot clone. So this is what I will do. Next, let us print the elements of the array ARR2. So for this one, I will use a Foreach loop. So for string, I'll give it as name and ARR2, then say system.out.println name. Let us run this one, run as Java application, and you can see that the values of the array ARR2, it is printing as Subbu, Selenium, Java and tutorials. That means the values of the array ARR1 are now copied into ARR2. But how can we make sure that the values of this array are copied into ARR2? Let's change the value of this ARR2, one of the values of this ARR2, and then we will print both the values of ARR1 and ARR2. So let's say I'm printing the values of ARR1 also. So for string name 1, that means the first array, I'll say ARR1 system.out.println name 1. So let's run this one, run as Java application, and we can see that it is printing two sets of values. One is this one, Subbu Selenium Java tutorials, and another one is Subbu Selenium Java tutorials, which is ARR2. Let's change the value of one of the elements in ARR2. So ARR2 of 1, that means I am changing the Selenium value to SEL. Let us run this one. Now run as Java application, and you can see that this value here it is printing as SEL. So this is for ARR2, and for ARR1 it is still printing as Selenium 1. That means the objects ARR1 and ARR2, they are different. They are not pointing to the same reference, but they have created for ARR2 a new memory is created and new values are created for this one. So this way we can use Object.clone method to copy the elements of one array into another array. In this video we have seen one of the methods to copy the elements of one array into another array, and the method is Object.clone. If you want to download the document for this, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbustack and then go to Selenium-Java-tutorials. This particular video starts with numbering 22H and sets the page with 22H, and you can find this document here, which is Java arrays copying an array using Object.clone method, and you can download this document. In the next video you will see another method of copying an array using system.arrayCopy.